Before diving into BV-BRC platform, there are 3 essential backend procedures you need to master. 1. Raw data upload. You will learn how to upload your sequencing data correctly. 2. Draft genome profiling. Understand how to profile your draft genomes into your personal genome library. 3. Genome Group Creation. Organize and manage your genomes efficiently by creating genome groups. Mastering these steps will set you up for success and ensure smooth analysis in BV-BRC platform. Log in to the BV-BRC website. If you don't have an account yet, click to create your free personal BV-BRC account and follow the registration steps. To upload your draft genome, go to Workspace and select My Genome Group. Click the Upload button. To upload a draft genome, select the Contigs option. Then upload your draft genome. Click Start Upload. Your draft genome can now be found in the Genome Group folder. Once your draft genome is uploaded, the next step is to profile your genome to integrate it into your personal genome library. Go to Tools and Services tab and select the Comprehensive Genome Report option. Select the Assemble Contigs option and upload the draft genome file you added earlier. Key to the taxonomy name of the organism. Provide a unique label for your genome. Then select the output folder. Finally, click Submit to initiate the genome analysis. Depending on the size of your draft genome, the analysis may take up to 24 hours to complete. To create your genome group, navigate to the main page and select the genome option. Then, type in the bacterial genomes you want to include in your group. This will help you organize and manage genomes efficiently for your analyses. Note that draft genomes you upload will not be assigned a GenBank accession number. In contrast, genomes obtained directly from the public database will include an accession number for reference. Next, choose the genomes you wish to include in your genome group. This allows you to organize related genomes for easier analysis and comparison. You can either create a new group or add additional genomes to an existing group. Once you've created or updated a genome group, you can access it by going to the Workspace tab and selecting My Genome Group. This is where all your organized genomes are stored for easy access and analysis. To review the results of your genome analysis, click the View button next to your genome group. This will display the comprehensive report and all associated details. For guidance on interpreting and reviewing your genome analysis results, please refer to our previous tutorial, where we walk you through the steps in detail. We sincerely acknowledge the institutions and agencies behind this platform, and we've included scientific citations for your reference and further reading. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or inquiries, drop us a message in the comments below. We'll be happy to help and respond as best as we can. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.